Fidget spinner.
Hello?
I didn't get you, sorry.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Fidget spinner.
I didn't get you, what you said.
Fidget spinner?
Fidget spinner.
A page spinner?
Fidget spinner?
So whom you want to speak?
Hello?
Fidget spinner.
Hello?
You speak English? Yes.
Hello? Hello?
Fidget spinner.
So what you need, you are facing any problem with the computer?
Fidget spinner! Fidget spinner!
Who is this?
Windows key plus R.
Windows?
Windows key plus R plus fidget spinner.
Fidget spinner.
Or flex
Think
key.
you're calling?
Fidget
Where are you
spinner.
calling from?
Fidget spinner.
Thanks for calling in Premium Tech Support. My name is Travis. How can I help you?
Hi, I think my computer's having some issues.
Okay, did you receive any kind of error code or something, sir?
Yeah, well, I saw this pop-up that said it detected like some sort of Zeus virus or something.
Okay, and can you read out the notification to me so that I can get more details?
Oh, well, I closed out of it now.
Hi, thank you for calling support. My name is John. How may I help you?
Hello?
Yes, sir. This is John. Tell me how may I help you?
Oh, why was the phone passed?
Sir, let me do one thing in this case. I will be guiding you some easy troubleshooting steps through which we will be able to connect you with a safe server and diagnose what all problems are there. After diagnosing all the problems, I will assign a technician to you and he will fix up these kind of problems.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, just hold the line for 1 minute.
Alright.
Hold the line. Yeah, thank you for holding the line. I appreciate your patience. You there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Right, sir. Do one thing, you just concentrate on the keyboard of your computer and you will find the control key on the left bottom. Do you see the control key?
DCTRL one?
Yeah, CTRL, yeah.
Yeah, I
Exactly.
see it.
And next to the control key, what key do you see there?
Next to the control key, I see this, like, I think it's the Windows key and the Alt.
Right, sir. You need to do one thing, you need to press and hold down the Windows key, and while holding it down, press letter R, R as in Romeo, and you will get the run box on the screen.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Now, you do one thing, you just type down there iExplore. It's IEXPLORE, iExplore is a one word.
Okay, I explore.
Then give a space like a gap.
Okay.
Then type down there support, SUPPORT, support as I'm supporting you.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's numerical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right after the support, no spaces.
Okay.
.com. Click on yes again. There will be my name.
Okay.
Right. Thank you, sir. All right, just hold the line. Do you see the cursor moving here and there?
Oh, yeah, how's it doing that?
That's me. I'm connected. So can you show me the alert, please? Where's your alert?
Oh, it was in Google Chrome.
Okay, you were in Google Chrome.
Yeah.
Just allow me a moment. Okay, you are using Windows 10 device.
Yeah.
So you have deleted the alert or something like that?
No, I just closed out of it.
Okay, sir. In this case, let me go ahead and check out what exactly the problem is. Right.
Okay.
You need a website. Why not do it yourself? Go to Wix.com to create your stunning website today.
Sure.
Choose from hundreds.
Go ahead and check
What?
out here.
How is
So
it
you are saying
possible
that
for
you
it to
have
be
Windows
spinning
Defender.
for
I would
this
request you not
long?
to use your keyboard and the mouse.
Yo, what's
Are
up
you there
guys,
with me,
it's
sir?
Master Same here and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video what I do
Are you there?
Yeah,
Are
hello?
you there, sir?
Hello?
Yes, sir. Are you there with me?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So, don't use your keyboard and the mouse. Let me go ahead and check out the security part and everything is working fine. I can see here, the computer is working actually fine. Right, there's no problem at all in the computer. But if we talk about the security part, let's go ahead and check out the security. Do you
Okay.
have good security or not?
Yeah, Windows Defender's pretty good.
Let's go ahead and check out, sir. Sir, I request you to please don't use the keyboard and the mouse for a time being,
Okay.
so I can check out the problems. Windows firewall. Yeah, it's working fine.
Oh no.
Yeah, Windows Defender. It says potentially harmful software detected. View details.
We better look at that.
Yeah, some hack tool was there.
Oh, okay.
Let me go ahead and try to remove it.
Alright.
Okay, sir, I would request you not to use your keyboard and a mouse, please.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, it's fine, sir. Everything is cleaned up. We have already removed this
Oh,
hack tool or something was there. Right, so no need to worry about anything. Your computer is working fine now. You are ready to use this computer now.
okay.
No worries.
Thank you.
So is there anything else that may help you with apart from this?
No. That's all.
Okay, sir. But I would request you to please, don't use the virtual machine, sir.
Expose him! Expose him!
Why?
Please use a physical computer.
No. Then you would destroy it, and that wouldn't be good.
No, sir. No, sir, I will not. How
Yes, you would.
I am the technician. I can fix up the problems. I cannot destroy the computer.
Technician. That's a good joke, bud.
Yes, sir. So is there anything else that may help you with apart from this?
No. I already said that's all.
Thank you. Have a nice.
Goodbye.
Okay, bye-bye. Have a nice day.
So
trying to do on the machine when you got that message on the screen?
I was trying to download a game.
Downloading game.
Yeah.
I just let you know, sometimes people go online gaming sites or online free video sites. Might be possible they got infected because that sites are not fully protected and not safe and secure. Okay, it might be the
Oh.
reason. But no need to worry, I will definitely help you out and resolve your problem as soon as possible, and I will diagnose the problem for you. Okay?
Okay.
And tell me, how old is your machine?
I think it's like maybe 3 years.
2 years. And do you have any idea which window is running in this desktop, like Windows 7, 8, or 10?
Yeah, it's Windows 10, I believe.
Okay, you're using a Windows 10. Alright, what I can do right now, I will guide you some instructions. You have to follow that, then your machine is directly connected to the Windows secure server. Alright, and there's one technician who's gonna help you out and resolve your problem as soon as possible.
Okay.
So do one thing, just look at the keyboard. You can see control key in the left hand side bottom corner.
Yeah, I see it. Okay, it's www.helpme.net, right?
Right. Now push OK on the same box.
Okay, it brought me to an established support connection website thing.
Right. Any option on the screen, so you have to go with all the positive options, like you can say run, OK, allow, yes, all the positive options.
Okay, I pressed yes. It says installing.
Okay, press yes. Alright, now you can see the technician name on the screen, that is Peter Wills, that's me. Alright, now press OK the last time, then you will directly connect it with the secure server and you will get notification on the screen. Alright, just wait for a while.
Okay. What's this? Am I connected?
Alright, you are successfully connected with the secure server. You can see on the screen, you get the notification, right?
Yeah.
Like sometimes people using security, which is third party, like you can say Norton, McAfee, the different kind of security which will protect their machine from infections. So are you using any kind of that security in this machine?
No, I don't think so. I think I'm just using Windows Defender. I think that's what it's called.
Alright, Windows. Okay. So right now I'm checking your Microsoft security services in this machine. You can see these all are the Microsoft security services. Can you see that? Microsoft Corporation.
Yeah.
Manufactured by Microsoft Corporation, and these are security services. Okay. And you can see mostly services are stopped, but definitely some are running.
Yeah.
Now let me check how many are stopped there, because these services are very important for every Microsoft computer, because it's security which will protect your machine from infections all the time. But you can see here the lots of services are not working. Can you see that? It says stop, 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 stop.
Yeah.
Now let me check how many are stopped. I'm scrolling down. You can see it says again stopped. Stopped. Alright.
Does that mean they're broken?
Right, it says again stopped. Let me check why these kernel drivers and security services are not working in this machine. Okay, so I'm doing a very quick scan in this machine, so which will detect the exact problem of your device. Alright.
Okay.
So I'm giving the command to scan your machine. So it will take some time, like it will take maximum to maximum 2 or 3 minutes, not more than that, because it's a very fast scan which will detect your computer problem. Okay.
Okay.
For a while, I'm putting your call on a hold. Okay. Just
All
stay
right.
online. As I see here, your scan is completed. In the very bottom of the scan, can you see that is one notification?
Oh, Zeus Trojan found.
Network is infected, right?
Oh,
So that means your machine is infected due to Zeus virus.
oh, is that what those things are? What are those alerts?
Oh, that is the alert on the screen.
Yeah.
All right, let me check it. Okay, just stay online.
Okay.
All right, thanks for stay online. Let me try to close these notifications. Okay.
Are those from the Zeus virus thing?
All right, let me try to fix your machine. Okay, just stay online.
Oh,
Give me a moment. Okay.
did my icons disappear?
Beg your pardon.
My desktop icons.
You cannot see your desktop, right?
Yeah. Where'd they go?
Okay, now let me try to fix your machine. First of all, let me save and secure your machine. Okay.
Okay. Oh, Syskey. Well, why are you putting a Syskey on my computer?
Because I'm securing your computer first of all, because it's not safe and secure right now. Okay.
Oh. So what's the password?
Okay, I will let you know. Just stay online.
Okay. Did you get rid of the hackers?
No, not right now.
Oh.
So do you have any idea who put this kind of notification on your screen?
No. I don't know where they came from. Oh, they're back. Okay.
because your machine is not safe and secure.
Okay.
And you don't have the warranty on this machine, so might be possible there's some certain charges to fix it, okay?
Okay.
And I want to recommend it you if you want to go with the securities for the next 1, 3 and 5 years to so definitely your machine totally safe and secure for a long period of time. Is that okay? If you want the security, so we can definitely provide you security as well.
Yeah, that's good.
Good. So which security you want? Like 1 year, 3 year, 5 year?
Is the 5-year more expensive?
So which security you want? Like 1, 3 and 5 year? Which one you want?
Well, how much is the 5-year?
5 year gonna cost you $449.99. That means almost $450 for the next 5 year. And we are here to fix your all kind of problem for the next 5 year as well. That means you get the warranty of the machine for the next 5 year.
That's expensive, but it seems pretty good. Can I use my mom's credit card?
Yeah, you can use it.
Okay, I don't think I'll ask her. I'll just take it when she's not looking.
First of all, you have to ask your mother because without her permission, we cannot go through
Oh,
for the payment.
okay.
You need the permission of your mother first of all. After that, we can definitely go through with the payment.
Okay.
So you want to go with the 5 year?
Yeah.
Alright. So I need some information from you, and first of all, just confirm with your mother if she is agree, so we can go with the 5 year, okay?
Oh, are you scanning my computer?
No, scanning is completely done.
Oh, then what's this?
Okay, let me try to close this notification.
Well, what was that?
I think your machine is freeze right now. So do one thing, just restart your machine once again.
Okay.
Okay, because it's working very slow. If you will restart your machine, so might be possible it will work a bit faster than right now.
Okay, but didn't you put a password on my computer?
Beg your pardon?
Didn't you put a password on my computer? I need to know that.
No, you don't.
What's going on with my computer? What are you putting on it?
We are not putting anything. We are trying to fix your problem because your machine is working very slow. It might be possible after the inspection it's responding very late or start working slow. Okay.
Okay.
Can you please tell me what exactly you can see on your screen? You can see the scanning window, or what exactly you can see?
I can see the command prompt, and it's doing some type of scan, I don't know.
So can you see the black window in which you can see some kind of notification like
Yeah.
subdirectory or file already exists?
Yeah, it says that. So what's this doing?
Can you please try to close that command prompt, that is the scan screen from your end?
Okay, I closed it.
Thank you for calling. How may I help you?
Hi, I have a complaint about the customer service.
Hello? You're talking to the online technical support for Microsoft devices. How may I help you?
Yeah, one of your buddies over there put a Syskey on my virtual machine. It was pretty uncool. Took me like a whole 5 seconds to fix it.
Alright, just hold on a minute. I will check that. Just stay with me.
Okay.